A bright green jungle full of hidden life. A small green parrot sits on a branch, carefully cleaning its bright feathers. The jungle shakes as a huge elephant walks in, its giant body making the trees tremble. The elephant shouts, "I am the strongest! Look at how big I am!" "You are small and unimportant." The parrot replies firmly, "Strength is not only about being big, it is also about being smart and working together." Under the bright sun, an elephant walks into a jungle clearing, not knowing the danger hiding in the grass. Hidden in the thick leaves, a hunter's trap waits quietly, a net almost invisible. The elephant steps right into the trap, and the hidden danger of the forest comes alive. The net traps the huge elephant, and the sunny clearing turns into a place of struggle. In the bright jungle full of life, a colorful parrot watches the elephant struggle from high in the trees. The parrot screeches loudly and flies away, disappearing into the green jungle. The parrot comes back with many other birds, a group ready to help. Hundreds of birds fly to the trapped elephant, their loud chirping growing into a roar. With strong determination, the birds peck at the ropes of the net, working together to free the trapped elephant. The last rope breaks, and the big elephant is free. His pride is now less than before. Realization comes to the elephant as he looks at the birds. The jungle animals come out from the shadows, feeling new hope and togetherness. The elephant says humbly, "I am sorry for being proud. Thank you for saving me." The parrot answers wisely, "Real strength is in staying united and being wise."